This neutral density filter kit for the DJI Neo gives you a practical range of light control from mildly overcast conditions to very bright midday scenes, making it easy to keep shutter speeds where you want them for smooth motion. The set covers 4 useful strengths, so you can move from ND8 through ND64 without gaps, which is ideal for dialing in exposure precisely instead of constantly juggling shutter speed and ISO. Image quality holds up well thanks to the high-grade optical glass, which keeps colors accurate and detail crisp rather than softening the footage. The multi-layer coatings do a solid job of cutting down on reflections and flares while also adding real-world protection against water, dust, oil, and minor scratches. The snap-on mounting system matches the DJI Neo camera housing closely, so swapping filters in the field is quick and secure without feeling like you might stress the gimbal. Overall, this kit is a compact, well-built solution that lets DJI Neo pilots get more cinematic video in challenging light without adding noticeable weight or bulk to the drone.